Did you know there's a gadget that can literally fold your entire workspace into a tiny bag? I'm Miraz, and you're watching Miraz Tech. Subscribe if you love discovering futuristic tools and clever everyday hacks, because today we're diving into some amazing gadgets that can transform the way you live, work, and play. Let's get started. Have you ever dreamed of flying a drone that feels more like a smart companion than just a toy? The Ameta smart drone is exactly that. It's not just about soaring through the skies, it's about capturing breathtaking shots with precision and ease. Imagine filming your weekend adventures, tracking your movements while jogging, or even inspecting hard-to-reach places around your home. With its intelligent navigation and stability, it's like having a personal aerial photographer. And the best part? It's compact enough to slip into your backpack, ready for spontaneous exploration. Picture yourself at the beach, launching it into the air, and instantly getting cinematic footage that looks like it came straight out of a movie. That's the kind of magic this drone brings. It's not just a gadget, it's a storytelling tool for your life. Now let's switch gears. Picture this. You're getting ready for an important meeting, but your favorite sweater is covered in lint. Annoying, right? That's where the Lint Remover comes in. It's small, portable, and works like magic to refresh your clothes instantly. No more embarrassing fuzz or pet hair clinging to your outfit. It's the kind of gadget that saves you from those little everyday frustrations, making you feel polished and confident without effort. Imagine being on a date, brushing off your jacket in seconds, and walking in looking sharp. It's not flashy, but it's one of those tools that quietly makes life smoother. And because it's reusable, it's eco-friendly too. No more wasting sticky sheets or buying disposable rollers. Speaking of comfort, have you ever tried working from bed or the couch and realized your laptop just doesn't sit right? Enter the lap desk pillow. It's soft, ergonomic, and designed to give you a stable surface wherever you are. Imagine binge-watching your favorite series or finishing a project late at night without straining your wrists or overheating your laptop. It's like carrying a mini workstation that adapts to your lifestyle, blending coziness with practicality. Students love it, freelancers swear by it, and honestly, anyone who's ever balanced a laptop on their knees knows how much of a lifesaver it could be. Plus, it doubles as a cushion when you're not working, so it's comfort and productivity rolled into one. But what if you need to print something on the go? That's where the portable printer shines. Imagine being at a cafe, finishing a report, and instantly printing it without rushing to an office. Students, freelancers, even travelers, it's a lifesaver. Compact, wireless, and efficient, it turns any place into your personal print station. Whether it's photos, documents, or tickets, this gadget makes sure you're never stuck searching for a printer again. Think about handing someone a freshly printed photo right after you take it. It's instant gratification in gadget form. And because it connects seamlessly to your phone or laptop, it feels like printing has finally caught up with the mobile age. Now, let's talk about posture. How many times have you found yourself slouching at your desk? The cross-legged chair is a quirky yet brilliant solution. Designed for those who love sitting cross-legged, it supports your natural posture while keeping you comfortable for hours. It's not just a chair, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Imagine brainstorming ideas, meditating, or simply relaxing while your chair adapts to you instead of the other way around. It's playful, practical, and surprisingly stylish. And here's the fun part, it sparks conversations. Guests walk in, see it, and instantly ask, wait, what kind of chair is that? It's a gadget that doubles as a statement piece. For creative thinkers, it's almost symbolic. Freedom, flexibility, and comfort, all in one. Now, ever wished your laptop screen could magically expand when you need more space? The laptop screen extender does exactly that. It's like unfolding a second or even third screen right from your laptop. Perfect for multitasking, editing videos, or managing multiple tabs without the clutter. Imagine editing a video while keeping your notes open, or monitoring stock charts while chatting with friends. It's productivity amplified, and once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. For creators, coders, or anyone juggling multiple tasks, it's a dream come true. And because it folds neatly, you can carry it anywhere, your office, a coffee shop, or even while traveling. Speaking of entertainment, have you seen the Freestyle? It's a portable projector that transforms any wall into a cinema screen. Imagine movie nights under the stars, gaming on a massive display, or even projecting recipes while cooking. It's versatile, sleek, and designed to make every moment more immersive. Whether you're hosting friends or enjoying solo downtime, the Freestyle turns ordinary spaces into extraordinary experiences. And because it's portable, you can take it anywhere: camping trips, family gatherings, or even just your bedroom wall. Suddenly, every surface becomes a canvas for fun. It's not just a projector, it's a mood creator. But gadgets aren't just about fun, they're about keeping things clean too. The laptop cleaning kit is one of those underrated heroes. Dust, fingerprints, crumbs, your laptop collects them all. This kit makes cleaning simple and satisfying. Imagine wiping away smudges before a presentation or keeping your keyboard spotless after a snack. It's small, affordable, and keeps your tech looking brand new, which means longer life and smoother performance. Think of it as self-care for your gadgets, because when your tools look good, you feel good using them. And it's not just for laptops. Use it on tablets, phones, even your camera gear. Now let's tackle organization. The self-compression organizer is a game changer for travelers and anyone short on space. Imagine packing twice as much into your suitcase without the bulk. It compresses clothes neatly, saving room while keeping everything tidy. No more chaotic bags or wrinkled outfits. Whether you're heading on a business trip or a weekend getaway, this organizer makes packing stress-free and efficient. And here's the kicker: it's not just for travel. Use it at home to store seasonal clothes or even to organize gym gear. It's one of those gadgets that keeps giving. Minimalists love it, families rely on it, and frequent flyers swear by it. And finally, imagine working from bed without awkward balancing acts. The cross-bed computer desk is designed exactly for that. It's sturdy, adjustable, and lets you set up a full workstation right from your bed. Perfect for late-night hustlers, students, or anyone who loves comfort while working. It's picture yourself sipping coffee, typing away, and feeling completely at ease. It's productivity without compromise. And because it's adjustable, it adapts to your posture, making long hours less tiring. It's the kind of gadget that makes you wonder you didn't get one sooner. It's not just convenience, it's a lifestyle shift towards comfort-driven productivity. So, which gadget amazed you the most? Was it the drone that captures your adventures, the projector that turns walls into theaters, or the organizer that makes packing effortless? Comment below, subscribe to Miraz Tech, and stay curious. I'll see you in the next one.